Alright, this is the second part of our Cisco devices configuration from switch. We configured that particular switch, this switch. Okay, we've done it, and now we're moving to the router. This router is a 2800 series or 2811 Cisco device or router to be exact, and support CME. Okay, so what we're going to do now is the same what we did before. Okay, from this switch, we're going to take this out and insert into the console port of this router. So you will hear the clicking sound. That's it. Okay, we are doing this actual demonstration on real hardware Cisco routers and switch. Okay, so then we need a plug or AC to power up this device, and of course the switch doesn't have a power button or switch button. Okay, remember that. And the router, our router, we have a power button. So let's hear that sound. That, when you turn on the device, you will hear the like a machine, an engine running. So let's see. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. See, those are real devices. We are not using an emulator or simulator here. Those are real. Okay. So our first task will be the basic initial router configuration. So let's do it. Okay, let's configure this router. Enable. Let's see what's inside. Show. Run. There is an existing configuration. Show flash. Okay, we have files in our flash. Show IP interface brief. We have IP addresses. Configure on this router. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is erase this configuration. Okay, just like what we did in our switch 3560. Let's begin. So let's erase NVRAM. Okay, let's erase NVRAM. Okay, here we go. All right, and then type reload. All right, this is gonna take a while, so let's have a coffee break, and when we come back, we will begin configuring this router. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna type no here. All right. Would you like to terminate auto install? Wait. Yeah, that's it. Just type no there. Okay, it's still loading. Because we are using a real hardware here. So enable. And let's see the version. Show version. All right, so we've got Cisco 2811, and we have two fast Ethernet interfaces,
2 serial interfaces and 1 virtual private network. And we have 4 voice FXO and 2 voice FXS interfaces. And this is our compact flash. This is the version we are using. So this is 15.14M10 and our Cisco iOS. Inside of our flash. And our uptime is 2 minutes. Let's see, show startup config. We don't have a startup config. That's good. And let's begin our configuration or the initial configuration on this router. First is we're gonna assign a name to the router. Configure terminal. I'm gonna go inside of that global configuration mode. And then I have to assign a name for this router. So host name R1 CME. So I choose R1 CME. You can, choose whatever you want, okay? Whatever names you want. Then next, set the access passwords. So line console 0 and password Cisco for simplicity. And of course, login and logging synchronous, okay? Synchronous. All right. And I think we type exec timeout 10 or 5 in our switch. So I'm gonna choose 10 or 5 if you want. Exec timeout. Let's say 10. Oops. Typo error. I missed the letter I there. All right. So exit. And next configuration is our line BTY. I'm gonna select them all 0 to 15. And the same configuration. Password Cisco. Login. Logging synchronous. All right. And exec timeout 10. Exit. Next is we have to set the secret mode passwords. So the password is Cisco. Let's use Cisco. Enable. As I've said, you can use a different password, but for simplicity, we're gonna use Cisco. Sorry, there is a incomplete command. So enable secret Cisco. And next is we have to set the level 7 password encryption for this router. So service password encryption. All right. Hit the enter key.
We've got a couple of mistakes there because I'm doing this actual configuration on real hardware on our REAL-CISCO 2811 CME router. So next command is we have to set the domain lookup. So no domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. And finally, before we save this configuration, let's set some message of the day for our router, as we did in our Cisco switch. So banner MOTD, and the banner we want. Alright, I can write here R1, okay, or let's say unauthorized access to this router or to this device is prohibited.
And last is we have to save our configuration. Copy, running config, startup config. And that's it. Okay, we're done in configuring of this that router, Cisco 2811, that support our CME. We did only the basic initial configuration. This is the same as I've said. If you watch the configuration of this switch, this will be easy for you. Okay, up next, this. So we have to configure our router with inter-VLAN routing using sub interfaces. That's next.